Hi, in this video I want to talk about addressable fire panels. That's a very nice example of the addressable fire panel. It's pretty common in many countries. What are the general features of addressable fire panels and equipment connected to them? As the name suggests, every device has an address, which means that description on the panel, when the fire goes off, if somebody presses this brake glass, if it's programmed, there is a description which says where it is located. So on this display you will see exactly where the fire is. The same with this, or any other device connected on the loop. And since I mentioned the loop, so one of the characteristics of those panels is that they have a loop. So the wires are coming out of panel, going to the devices, and they are coming back to panel. And that way there is a supervision over the loop, there is a supervision over devices, as well as you can say where the fire is. Those panels can be programmed, can have pretty complex cause and effect. They can have external outputs, they can have external inputs, they can work with other systems and so on. So they are pretty complex, and you can build quite a big system with them. This example here is simple. It's just one loop panel, and in addition to that, this model, Morley panels, are very simple to use. And if you would like to learn programming and commissioning of addressable fire panels, just join our course, and link is at the bottom of the video. Thank you.